So this is ClampMill, a portable chainsaw mill we have been working on. As the name says, it clamps to the log and provides you with a consistent cut. You can lengthen it. There's one piece missing here at the moment. The chainsaw is removable. You can clamp it on. You can take it off, limb trees and whatnot. Material thickness is adjustable from 1 inch to 4 inches. So here are the adjustment holes. This is 1 inch, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4 inches. While you're lowering the uprights here, you also have to lower these clamps that clamp to the log. I'm gonna make a test cut here. This is prototype 3.4, I believe, at the moment. I've done quite a lot of cutting with the older version of it, so let's see how it goes. Can take the board, support the saw from one end, then release the ratchet strap. Ready for the next cut. So there you can see some branches sticking out. This is not an issue when you have this sawmill. You can just take the saw out, cut this branch off. You can remount the saw. Yep, now you can start sawing boards again. quality is great. I'm using just the regular cross-cutting chain, sharpened to 30 degrees, and it cuts pretty well. I think the 10-degree chain would cut better, but I don't have it at the moment. So, I mean, yeah. Using the built-in winch here makes the cutting experience effortless. Well, you put in some effort, but you know what I mean. You don't have to push the saw through the wood. Go check it out on naturetools.com, and see you soon. Cheers.